manual says do not use rags to clean these, instead to use air. Hey. So I'm not gonna video me cleaning these because I do not want oil getting on my lens. And as we remember, I should just be able to drop these in here. Now my question is, why are these so specific on the order? I see that this one here is thinner this way, right? And I can see the wear pattern on this ring. But these here, they all look the same to me. Why does the order matter? So here's my question. See these little recesses here? Are they supposed to be pointed in the same direction? Is that important? The only thing I know for that's important is to make sure that the little guy goes in first. Other than that, aren't these identical? So it shouldn't really matter as long as it's plate, disc, plate, disc, plate, disc. And these are going to line up with the basket. There we go. That lines up with the basket, and then the steel ring lines up with the hub. Then the pressure plate. There we go. Okay, the next item is the diaphragm spring. Woo! And the diaphragm spring retainer. Right there. Let's go for the bolts. Starting by hand first. Lowest setting. This is between 70 and 100 inch-pounds. Concerning the compensator, this is a personal choice, but I decided all these inconsistencies in the surface I want to remove because this is a balanced item. So what I did is I took a sharpening stone with the smooth side and I just kind of worked it. And that's what these high spots are. And I feel that it's a lot quieter now. And I believe that helps with balancing. I could be wrong, you tell me. I'm gonna put a drop of assembly lube right on each one of these. Just because, here we go. Ready for reassembly. I'm going to put some assembly lube on these splines. So I had the chain stuck on the case. I wasn't paying attention. In the manual, it says to tighten this one first, and then this one. I don't think it really matters, honestly. A little Loctite in here. And this is reverse thread. Okay, let's not forget our locking tool. This is torque between 70 and 80 foot-pounds. I'm set mine at 75, right in the middle. It might help if I put this in right. There we go. Okay, this is a little different creature here. We tighten this to 100 foot-pounds, then reverse thread one complete turn, then tighten back to 140 foot-pounds. So that's 100 and 140. Loctite on there. Always pull with wrenches, never push. It's 100 foot-pounds. Now we're going to loosen this one full turn. One full turn. You know, next I'm going to put a marker on here to make sure I do that one full turn. You know what? That loosened it all the way. I don't understand why I back it up one full turn. All right. There we go. 140. Next is the chain tensioner. Yeah, the camera. These are to be torqued between 15 and 19 foot-pounds. I'm setting mine at 18. I've had these Channel brand dikes for years. But to be honest, I prefer the way the Craftsman ones. The bolt with the spacer goes on the bottom. The bottom bolt is a 1/4 inch, 5/16 on the top. Oh, that did not sound good. Okay, I grabbed a different bit.